What's up guys, this is TampaTec and this is my home arcade. I converted my garage into a home arcade. I'm going to show you that later on. I am back from the Chicago Pinball Expo. I'm going to show you some highlights of that as well. Let's go ahead and get started. So I flew from Tampa to Chicago O'Hare Airport, and when I arrived I got started right away helping to build these machines. They're already half built thanks to my awesome coworker. And afterwards, I walked around and took a look at some of the homebrew games. Overwatch was one of them. It looked fantastic. Very cool machine. This is my son's favorite game, by the way. This is one of the biggest pinball machines. It's not playable, but it's huge. And then right here is another homebrew pinball machine. Another homebrew pinball machine that won some awards. Sonic Pinball. It has a really interesting ramp right there, inverted one. And this is Saw pinball machine. This is a really beautiful looking pinball machine. I love the topper and everything. And right here is Jersey Jack's new pinball machine Avatar. It has a UV kit installed, as you can see, and underground playfield. Very expensive pinball machine. It has a big LCD screen. This thing's gorgeous. Right here is Alien pinball machine. And this has a really cool ball lock where the alien eats the ball. Stern John Wick pinball machine. It came out recently. John Wick looked okay, but didn't look as exciting as X-Men. And this is the latest X-Men pinball machine by Stern. It has really cool ball locks using the Sentinel. And interesting 3-flipper setup on the bottom of the playfield, as you can see right there, which is very unique design. And right here, some old pinball machines. These are around like 80 or 90 years old. And this is literally pin and ball machines. This is where they got the idea, pin ball. And this is one of my favorite ones, Looney Tunes. This is fantastic. I love the 4-flipper setup, and it has an upper right loop and upper left loop that you can combo, which is really cool. And Tasmanian Devil, he spins around. There's a ball lock right there underneath him. It has a lot of cool sounds and animations. Very colorful. And as you can see, there it is, the ball, and he throws it in. That's the ball lock, and he spins around. This is a remake of Funhouse back in the day. Great pinball table. Hopefully the Legends Pinball 4K will add this to their collection in the future. That would be cool. This is a Legends Pinball 4K in the wild. This distributor actually included it in his booth. Right here is a demonstration how the coils work inside of a pinball machine. It shows you the assembly and how they operate, which is very cool. I think as a technician, I think it's cool.
Hey guys, this is Biggie D's Arcade. It's BI4GsY, Biggie D's Arcade. You can go to athomearcades.com, my website, if you want to check out my videos. I cover a lot of this AtGames 4K pinball over the last year since it was announced. This is my first time getting a chance to actually play it. I'll tell you guys, I'm really impressed. This flipper latency is like non-existent now after the update.
Crow from the Crow Continuum. On YouTube.
How do you like the surround sound? The SSF?
Yeah, the sound is much better than the one I have. Sounds much better. Plus you've got the third screen here that you don't have on the other one. So, but I was looking on the back. It looks like you can plug in the PC for all 3 screens if you wanted.
Yes. So this is Rob. He has a YouTube channel. Go ahead and tell us your YouTube channel.
Yeah, so 19K Fox is the way most of you may know me, and I want to give you my thoughts, my initial impressions of the AtGames 4K, the Jurassic Park specifically. I have not played this before. It's my first time. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty blown away with what you're getting for the value. The SSF kit really stands out as a way to give you some of that force feedback that you just don't get with a V-Pin.
And what's your YouTube channel?
Michael B. the Game Genie on YouTube.
So what's your thoughts about the Jurassic Park?
I love the topper. I think the topper is really cool. Obviously, getting the Jurassic Park branding is so important because it's iconic pinball branding. I mean, Jurassic Park is one of the most successful pinball machine franchise lines in physical pinball. So having one for virtual pinball just makes sense, right?
So while I was grabbing some lunch, I noticed these hybrid pinball machines called P3, and they're half virtual half mechanical pinball machines. They go for around $12,000, but you can swap the upper playfield mechanics for different themes. And of course, the software changes the screen. And this is the Princess Bride. So it was really unique and different. This classic storybook Alice in Wonderland pinball machine caught everyone's eye. This is an absolute gorgeous machine. The topper, the cabinet artwork, the LEDs, the light show, the animations, fantastic. And as you can see, the artwork is very edgy, beautiful, colorful, and it has a eye-tracking treasure cat on top. The playfield has an upper level and also has lots of characters.
So what are your thoughts on the Legends 4K pinball machine?
Well, I gotta tell you, man, it's been a fun journey over the last year. You definitely gotta give a big shout out to Zen Studios as well as AtGames for putting in the flipper and latency improvements. This is now one of the favorite machines I do have in my house.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Kiana Camacho.
What's your thoughts on the Peanuts Snoopy pinball?
I really like it. It's family friendly for one. It makes it easy for everyone to get in on it. It's a cute board. It's interactive, and it's not overwhelming. So you have goals that are very clear compared to other ones that can be too busy sometimes. So this is a really cool machine, and I really like it.
Thank you so much.
But my first time looking at this is my first time seeing a 4K person. I really do like the proportions. They kind of took what I think the community inspired, those upgraded back boxes on the HDs, and they actually truly incorporated them. So the topper looks good. They're like very attractive looking pinball machines.
The topper, yeah, the topper looks nice. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Dimitri.
And your name? And what's your thoughts on the Legends Pinball 4K?
I think it's pretty cool. You know, it's actually really clear. It's more. The image is very sharp, and it's sharper than I thought it would be.
How you doing? What's your name?
Hi, I'm Alex from Schaumburg.
Where are you? And you're from Schaumburg here.
Yeah.
And then what's your name?
Kristen
And you're also from here?
from Schaumburg.
Awesome. And what is your thoughts about the Jurassic Park pinball and also the Peanuts Snoopy pinball?
Yeah, I love the designs on both of them. I think it's really cool. They're compact, pretty affordable. I played them for a little bit. They feel a little snappy too. So I think they're cool machines.
How you doing? What's your name? Where are you from?
Edwin Damaris, and we're from Mexico, in Amelia.
All right, and so what are your thoughts about the new Jurassic Park pinball machine?
Well, this is my first time trying a virtual pinball machine, and it feels very realistic. We're kind of liking it. We love the haptics and all of that. Yeah, it's really, really good.
On the last day, I met the owner of Jersey Jack Pinball. I had to check out of my hotel room, but I was able to have lunch on the Navy Pier off of Lake Michigan. So here's just a quick review of my home arcade room. I converted my two-car garage into a home arcade room by painting the floor using black patio paint. Also painted the walls black and the ceiling black as well to fit the theme. Laid down this area rug. There's a retro arcade area rug we got for around $500. And of course that is illuminated by black lights mounted under there and on the ceiling over there. So it looks really cool when you have the lights off. And also we have radiant barrier on the garage door. We got that kit from Amazon for around $150. That blocks the radiation heat from coming in. We live in Florida, so that's a must. And it does a great job blocking that radiation heat. Highly recommend that. And we also bought some foam spray and we sealed up some draft that was coming through the corners of the garage door. There, and then the bottom corners there and there. We shot some foam spray and painted it black. Replaced the weather strip underneath the garage door that prevents any draft from coming in and out. And then over here is an air hockey machine that converts into a ping pong table. You can see the ping pong table underneath. You just lay that on top and it converts it. And then here's all the arcade cabinets I test on. I work for AtGames and I work in the quality assurance department as a game tester, and these are all the arcade cabinets I play on. And this is the Legends Ultimate, model number HA8802. This is the Legends Pinball HD, Legends Pinball 4K, Jurassic Park Edition, Legends Ultimate, model number HA8801, which is a little bit older. This is the Legends Pinball 4K, the Addams Family Edition, and that's the TV over there where I plug in my Legends core devices and do game testing over there as well. Added some neon signs. These are not real neon signs, these are LED signs that are USB powered. Very energy efficient and inexpensive, around $30 each. Highly recommend those. Added some roof racks right there for storage. I got the quad play 4-player control deck that I could swap out for the 2-player control deck. So all these Legends cabinets, you can swap out the control decks. You can actually plug in a USB drive to add your own games. Also use the USB drive to expand your storage so you can download games from the App Store X. So yeah, they actually have, all these are online, and you could go to the App Store X and download more games and pinball packs so you can play more games on your device, which is really awesome. And you can even plug in your PC on all these Legends cabinets as well and play Steam games. So essentially, these are basically, Legends Ultimate devices or Legends Pinball devices, but also these are, Legends Steam PC arcade machines too as well, because you could just simply plug in a PC and play your Steam games on these. So right here, this is my PC connected. As you can see right here, I'm on a different input by pressing that button right there, changes my input. And so now I can use these controls to play Steam games. And these are the games I highly recommend getting. Dig Dug, Galaga, Pac-Man, Arkanoid, Broforce is a great game, great multiplayer game. Gauntlet is a great game as well. Let me see. Hyper Bowl, great bowling game to use the trackball. You can play Pinball FX3 on here using the pinball buttons, as you can see right here. Tape to Tape, I highly recommend. It's probably one of the best hockey games on Steam. Streets of Rage 4 is probably one of the best arcade games to play on the Legends Ultimate. Space Ace, Turtles, Shredder's Revenge, very awesome. And right there, I mounted a TV so I could watch the news or sports. And over here is my Stiga hockey and my Stern pinball machines and my V-Pin I built with my sons and my dart machine. Electronic dart machine is really cool. You can play 8 players and it's battery operated, or you use a DC power adapter. And the panels light up. And when the panels light up, they'll let you know which panel to shoot at. It's very intuitive. And of course I have neon signs up here as well. And that black curtain is hiding my AC air handler and water heater, very inexpensive. The black curtains I got off of Amazon, of course. And the mini split we got off of Amazon, and I made a video how to install that. And this cools down the garage within an hour during the summer, and during the winter, it heats up the garage within an hour. So that's very energy efficient and fairly easy to install with 2 people. And these are my Stern pinball machines right here. This is Godzilla Pro, which is probably the best Stern Pro machine out. Highly recommend looking at that before you buy any other machine. This is the highest rated pinball machine on pinside.com. And then the Avengers Infinity Quest Premium Edition, which is one of my favorites, and it has that awesome inverted ramp, one of my favorite shots in pinball. So hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in any of these products, go ahead and click on the links in the video description below. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech video. If you know anyone that might be interested in converting their garage into a home arcade, click on the share button below and share this video to them. Thanks for watching.